Right, gang, what's going on? Quick time. So, from the last IGTV video that I let off to everybody regarding what's coming in the next 6 to 12 months, 6 to whatever, who cares? But immediately, right now, apart from this whole pandemic being the only way to harvest human data, that is the most valuable commodity on planet Earth, is your data. Okay, so data is hella expensive, take it from me. So apart from that, the last video I mentioned, okay, the NHS app in the UK, the passport bullshit that's going on. Many have been led to believe the pandemic or corona was real. Unfortunately, my friends, it's not. So many have gone and fucking put the Frankenstein jab in the arm because they've been bribed, more or less. And for many people, especially here in Thailand, people can't work if you haven't had the Franken jab. Fortunately, we have angels like Dr. X ourselves on our side that can assist in these modern world issues, so to speak. So take a look at this. So I said August is gonna start to heat up in August. Entry to a number of public places will be allowed only for those vaccinated. I will not be there. Effective from 20th of August to increase safety in areas. Look at this, enhanced protection for community members, man. They're having your pants down and you don't know it. Shopping centres, fuck you, I'll do shit online. I don't even buy shit anymore. I don't even waste my money on this garbage and garbage people and fucking garbage fucking things. Invest 90% of your money right now, mate. That's what I'm telling you. Restaurant and cafes, fuck them. Look, so they want to make you feel like, FOMO, you get FOMO in the market, fear of missing out. Build your own gym. Fuck that shit. Anyway, look, how would you get vaccination exemption? Children aged 15 and under, for now, 15 and under, mate. You're 16, they want to fuck you up. You want to fuck your kids up. Anyway, fuck all that bullshit. And on top of that, I would also like to say to everybody that I told you the NHS app, okay, is your vaccination passport in the UK. It's going on Nazi Britain, my friends. Nazi Britain. So check out my story, check out the NHS, the advert. They get real creative with these adverts now, but when you log in, there's travel and there's events. Events is, I don't know. Events could be even just going to this shopping centre, restaurant, cafe, museums, theme parks, schools, health clubs, gyms, universities. So you're going to have to scan. When you go into these dumbass places and they scan your temperature, now it's probably going to be scan your barcode, mate, or you ain't going to go in. So this is how they are bribing you. And I've heard many positive stories and bad stories. Like people like, I can't see my family. I've been bribed by the government. I ain't taking this bullshit because I know what it is. I know their agenda. I've been working on this agenda for more years. Yeah, more years. I've been dissecting this entire agenda for a longer period of time than I've been into Forex. Since I was 18 years old, I'm now 30. This is how I actually got into Forex, by researching all of this bullshit and the corruption. Way back then, I knew precision of the equinox and knew universal times, age of Aquarius, everything like that. They're going to go ham, bro. They're going to go ham. And not many people are going to make it. So, financial plan. Financial shift, 2 to 5 years. I said to you, they have until 2023 to push this agenda on you. So this is why they're going so hard now. Don't fall into the trap. Dr. X, INT at protonmail.com is where I got mine, and many other people got their plug from. Okay, I am just a messenger. Many other people are just messengers. Fuck you. Like, you have all of these other puppeteers. You got Anthony Joshua, faggot. You got this Ricky Hatton, faggot. It's probably broke and fat and ugly. and they've said, oh, just tell everyone you got a vaccine. They see these lot are pushing it hard on you, but you don't understand the agenda because they want to trap you in this system, in this beast-ass system, bro. They get your data, and what you do with your data, that's a whole different story for another video. I don't know if I can post that on Instagram, but I'm just giving you general outlines. Very, very soft information is what I'm presenting to you people. But yeah, I did say sooner or later they will tell you the steps. Once they've hit the figures, they push the lockdown further and further in the UK. They probably hit the numbers now. I said, wait till they hit the numbers. They've done that because they haven't hit the numbers. When they hit the numbers, they're going to hit you with the NHS app. And that, my friends, is your barcode on the fucking forehead. God bless you all who've actually gone and done that. Fuck knows what future is in store for you. But you are now a statistic with technology in your bloodstream. You might think I'm fucking crazy. You might not care about your life too much because the football's on. You're on about it's coming home. Yeah, the only thing that's coming home, mate, is your slavery. That is it. It's coming home. Can you not see what's happening? Anyway, this is comical to me. I feel like this is one of my little missions out here. So other than ripping the financial markets to smithereens, especially in the SCAP group right now, you know, come get involved. I'm going to start putting some good information now in regards to this. But I feel like this is very basic primary level information that people should know anyway. I'm not even going deep on these subjects. I'm just connecting a few dots for you. And luckily I have some amazing contacts around me to, you know, assist people in these times. Because as I say, I've had people message me after, you know, I give the Dr. X thingy out there. People have messaged me saying I've been able to go and see my family because of Dr. X on the NHS App back in England. So Nazi England is coming, whether you like it or not. But there's always a way around it. Now, one thing I would like to put out there is I just get straight cut into the information and the solution. Whereas all these other motherfuckers, you can protest, yeah, protest energy is good energy, spread awareness, but the people, they're still light years behind the real, you know, how to really fuck the government up and really help people is to get straight to the point. This is what they're doing. This is how to get over it. This is what it means. Boom, we don't have to go out and protest every day. You can go out and protest and, you know, 80% of them probably have the jab already and they're still on the system, and that's just a fact. So, yeah, other than that, I said August, guys. So on the 11th of August, there's some FEMA stuff going on, emergencies. They're probably going to lure you into some emergency shit. And whatever they put in your fucking body, that shit can be programmable to a high degree as well in your bloodstream. So I don't know what impact that's going to have in the next few years. God bless you all. But this is how they're trying to get you now. So you can't go to. So imagine they've locked you down for X amount of time. You're fed up. You know, it's like a stress test. They've locked you down for so long. They've suppressed you, and you want to go out to the health club. You want to go to the restaurants and cafes. You want to go to shopping centres. You want to meet your friends, museums, theme parks, unis, whatever the fuck it may be. But you can only go there now if you've got the stamp. And at the same time as releasing this on the website, they have now told you exactly how to log into your NHS app once you've got that fucking shit in your body. Mate, it's a list. I can continue this narrative. I can continue these updates because I know exactly what's going to happen. I'll check back in soon with what's going to happen at the end of the year, because that's going to fucking scare the shit out of you if you ain't ready. But again, I'm just giving you some valid tips. Look, this is how, right, so this is my view, yeah? I'm chilling, mate, and we got security. We're strapped up at all times out here, because I know you little bastards, you little internal snakes want to come. You can't do nothing, no. Fuck. See you little bastards. But yeah, other than that, I'm just watching the world go by for quite a while. I'll just give you these updates, and the ones who take it, boom, believe, yeah, stay on point. Stay on point. So other than that, there we have what I've just showed you, give you another little look. Here we go. More. Oh, what else have we got on here? These are my medicines, mate. You go get your medicines from the doctor. These are my medicines. Oh yeah, good, yeah? Thank you so much. These are my medicines, mate. Yeah, fucking you lot are fucked. But anyway, so it's been a great week on SCAP. we're absolutely slaughtering gold, GUGA. Whilst doing so, we have a lot of our time. We have a lot more time on our hands because the trades we have time to chill, we have time to research, we have time to study, we have time to be out in nature, we have time to be away from other toxic people, and we can also figure things out for ourselves in this beautiful time. So to end this video, guys, main points. NHS App is now out. Told you about this last time. Slavery is coming. That barcode, that events barcode, you're going to have to scan that everywhere you go, maybe even to get into Tesco or Asda. How do you feel about that? Not too good. Don't fall into their trap. Your data is a highly expensive commodity. The most valuable commodity on earth is human data. What else? Oh yeah, so we're only approaching like the end of 2021 into 2022. That's only year 2 out of year 5. 2023, I did mention, they're going to push this agenda. They need to get as many people under that nanotech as possible by 2023. 2024, 2025 is when the major financial shifts occur. So everything is already done. These news articles that are coming out about the Bank of England saying this, about digital currency, saying this, saying that, that's 10 years ago, mate. Now they're releasing it on specific dates, specific times. Just say, oh shit, this is happening. Mate, I know exactly what's going to happen. I know exactly where shit's going to go. I know exactly what I'm invested in. Why do you think I'm living like this, mate? Why do you think I ain't one of these dickheads like trying to buy 10 whips and trying to be a big man? Because 95% is being invested. And then come back out the other end, 2026. I promise you right now, I promise you, I will be a prodigy of this entire financial shift. So, guys, again, I don't get paid for sharing any of this information to you. I'm just giving you a heads up because I feel that's what I need to do. That's what real people have to do. You have to give other people a heads up, and don't be scared. All of these so-called adults and so-called hard men and fighters and all these pricks who are getting sold, you're getting sold down the river. The football teams are selling you down the river. Your athletes are selling you down the river. Your celebrities are selling you down the river. Your movie stars are selling you down the fucking river. And you still watch them and give you their attention. Your attention is the biggest, most valuable commodity aside from your human data on earth, and you're still giving it to them, chanting it's coming home. The only thing that's coming home to you, mate, is sheer slavery. And I promise you right now, I know exactly what's going to happen and how we're going to be looking by 2026. It's not my reality, mate. I'm just looking in. But yeah, peace out. Wait for the next update.